we want to learn how to remove background of an image. First of all, go to Google Play and open the app Background Eraser. You can see it here. So you choose the second one here. You see the icon. So when you choose that one, you download and install it on your device. All right. Okay. So after installing it, you open the app, and then let us learn how to use it. We have several ones, but choose the second one here, and then we are going to teach you how to master that. Okay. So we want to open the app now. You can see it. All right. So from here, we want to start using it. Load a video that you wish to remove the background from. So let's choose this Yoma here. Okay. So you move the crop side closer to the image. You can see that you move it closer to the image as much as possible. Then you crop it very well, and then you click on done. Next, we begin to remove the background. You can use magic or manual. Let's try the magic. Okay. All right. So the size of the brush and the holder, they are there. The brush is down, is 50. You pick it with the holder. Then as you move it around the image, it automatically detects the background and remove it. Okay, you can see that. You can see that here. Still removing. Still removing the background. Okay, we want to increase the holder. Yes, the brush size for the magic, make it bigger. That's what I did. All right. Oh, that's a mistake. When you make a mistake, then you go back by click undo. You see the arrow down there. You have taken 14 steps. If you go back, then you undo one, making 13 steps. Then you can continue from there. All right. Okay. Let's go to the other side of the image. Still using the magic brush. Okay. You click outside the image to pick the brush again. Okay. All right. Click outside. The magic will remove all the background. Okay. When you make a mistake like this, you undo again, then you click outside. All right. That's another mistake. You undo, click outside the image, and then you continue. So you have to reduce the brush size. The brush size was reduced by using the the marker at the bottom here. We have 44 now. That's another mistake. We undo it. Go ahead. Okay. You can see that I can enlarge and reduce the size of the image in order to see it properly. Okay. That's another mistake. You undo. Then you click inside the armpits. Okay. The brush is too big, so we undo that. We undo that and reduce the brush. We reduce the brush to like 30 something now. Then we try the magic again. Okay, this is better. All right. Okay. Okay. So I enlarge the image again and move it. Then I go back, picking the brush and go. Let's try the second armpit. Okay, second armpit now. That's good. Oh, that's a mistake. We undo that. Another mistake, we undo it and start it again. Another mistake, we undo that. So try it again. So the brush is too big, so we reduce the brush size. Minimum is 30. Okay, this is better. This is better. This is better. So after that, we brush. We use the manual brush to clean the other areas that the magic will not clear. We reduce the brush size again to the minimum. Minimum is about 6. So use it to go around all the areas left over by the magic brush. So we use manual brush. Make it to be very small in order not to touch the image, but only the background. Alright, so we go ahead and click on done. Then we click on the smooth. You can increase the smooth to highest 5. Then it will smoothen all the edges around the image. Then you can save it. Once you click save, then you click finish, then the image is stored on your device. So let's see on the device from device manager, internal storage. Here it says saved under pictures. Then you see a folder called eraser. Alright, and so that's the image. Remove the background from. Very perfect. So you can go ahead and try it yourself. So you can see how clean it is. The same purpose is what we achieve.